Toyota Sequoia 4x4 not working? You're definitely not the only one. Here's a simple step-by-step to help you out. First, check the basics. Is your Sequoia in neutral or park? Sometimes the 4x4 system won't engage if you're in the wrong gear. Next, listen for a click or a light on your dashboard when you try to switch to four-wheel drive. No sound? That could mean an electrical issue, like a blown fuse or a bad 4x4 switch. Now try driving slowly forward and back. On some models, the system needs the wheels to move a bit to fully engage. Still not working? Take a look underneath for any visible damage to the wiring or actuators connected to your front axle. Off-roading or rough roads can knock things loose. Finally, if you're seeing warning lights or the system still won't work, it's time to get it checked by a qualified mechanic. 4x4 systems are tough, but they do need a little love now and then. So, don't panic if your Sequoia's 4x4 isn't kicking in. With a few quick checks, you just might get back on the road, or the trail, faster than you think.